11th standard exercise 1.2 subdivision 1. First problem subdivision number 2. Let P denote the set of all straight line. P denote the set of all straight line in a plane. Then the relation R defined by L related to M. L related to M if L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. Discuss this relation, reflexive, symmetry or transitivity. So we see the solution. First one is, what is given data? So given data is L related to M if L is perpendicular to M. So given relation. Given relation, L is related to M, or any L is any straight line, M is another one straight line. Condition is L is perpendicular to L is perpendicular to M. It is condition. Relation. This one is condition. First we have to check one by one. It is reflexive. This relation is reflexive relation, or this relation is symmetric relation, or is transitive. First one is reflexive relation. So reflexive. The reflexive relation is basic definition for reflexive. A comma A belongs to R for R. A belongs to P, where P is the set of all straight line in the plane for all P. So first one, the relation is relation. We get the relation L related to L. Using this definition, A related to A, so same is L related to L. Condition. So what is condition? L is perpendicular to L. L is perpendicular to L. So every straight line need not be perpendicular to itself. On every straight line need not be parallel to itself. So condition, L is not perpendicular to L. Every straight line not perpendicular to itself. So therefore it is not reflexive. It is not reflexive. First condition is not satisfied. Second condition one, symmetry. So basic definition for symmetry. Let us take any two straight line L comma M and M comma L belongs to R. Let us take any two straight line L comma M and M comma L belongs to R. What is relation? Relation is L related to M and M related to L. It is relation. Condition. What is condition? Condition or statement. What is condition? L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. Second condition is M is perpendicular to L. Both two conditions are satisfied. For example, let us take two straight lines. This straight line is L. Another one straight line is M. It is meaning that L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. So otherwise order is M is perpendicular to L. So both two conditions are satisfied, hence it is symmetry. It is clear that take any two straight line satisfies this condition. L is perpendicular to M. So L is perpendicular to M, M is perpendicular to L, therefore hence symmetric. Hence, this given relation is symmetric relation. Third one is transitivity. Third relation, transitivity. Transitivity. So basic definition for transitivity: take any three line. L related to M related to N belongs to R, which implies L related to N. Basic definition for transitivity: take any three line. L related to M related to N belongs to R, which implies N related to N. So condition: the given relation is L related to M, comma M related to N, and L related to N. L related to M related to N, and L related to N. So what is condition for L related to M? L related to M is L is perpendicular to M. So condition, first condition is L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. Satisfies the first condition. Second one is M is perpendicular to N. M is perpendicular to N. Let us take any three straight line. Let us take any three straight line. L is perpendicular to M. L is perpendicular to M. M is perpendicular to N. L is perpendicular to M. M is perpendicular to N. Hence, L is parallel to N. L is parallel to N. So this condition not satisfied. Hence, it is not transitivity. So L is perpendicular to M. Second condition is satisfies. M is perpendicular to N. Then the third condition is L is not perpendicular to N. See the example. L is perpendicular to M. M is perpendicular to N. But L is not perpendicular to N. It is parallel. So it is not transitivity. It is not transitivity. Hence, the given relation satisfies only for symmetric condition. Not, it is not reflexive relation. It is not transitivity relation. Exercise 1.2, second problem is completed. Problem number 1, solution 3. Let A set up consisting of all numbers of family. The relation are denoted by A related to B if A is not a sister of B. This one is relation, this one is condition. So this is the solution. What is given data? So given data is A is set of all family. A is the number of family. So how many number of family? Father, mother, son and daughter, one daughter, two son, one son, two, maybe whatever maybe. Let us take it simple for convenience. 4 members of family. So given data. So what is relation? Relation is A related to B. Condition. So condition is A is not a sister of B. A is not a sister of B. So first relation is reflexive relation. Relation is reflexive relation. A is related to A belongs to R, for all A belongs to A. So reflexive relation, basic definition is relation. Relation is A related to A. Second one is condition. Condition is, see the example, father is not a sister of itself. So F is satisfies this condition. Mother is not a sister of itself. Satisfies this condition. Son is not a sister of itself. S is satisfies this condition. Daughter is not a sister of itself. Satisfies this conditions. Clear that? So for all families of number satisfies is not a sister of itself. So condition condition is A is condition, F is not a sister of F. F is not a sister of F. M is not a sister of M. S is not a sister of S. D is not a sister of D. Therefore, hence it is reflexive. Hence it is reflexive relation. Everyone not is the sister. So reflexive relation is satisfied. Second one is symmetric relation. Second one is symmetric. Symmetric. So basic definition for symmetric: take any two numbers. So A comma B, A comma B, B comma A belongs to R. It is basic definition for symmetric. Symmetric basic definition. Let us take any two family members. For example, consider as father is not a sister of mother. Mother is not a sister of father. Satisfies this condition. Second one is mother not a sister of son. Son is not a sister of mother. So satisfies this relation. Son is not a sister of daughter, but daughter is sister of son. This condition is satisfied. So it is not reflexive. It is clear that so relation is any one relation of returners. Father is not a sister of mother. Father related to mother and mother related to father. Condition is father not a sister of mother. Mother not a sister of father. F is not a sister. M is not a sister of F. So we see that so it is satisfies the condition. It is hence it is reflexive. But another check. We check the another pair is son related to son and daughter. We get son and daughter. Son related to daughter and daughter related to son. So applying the condition for this pair of relation. See, first one is son is not a sister of daughter. Son is not a sister of daughter. Second one is its condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. But daughter is a sister of son. Daughter is a sister of son. But this condition not satisfies. Hence it is not. Hence it is not symmetric. Hence it is not symmetric. It is clear that third one transitivity. Third condition is transitivity. So transitivity. Basic definition for transitivity: take any three members of family. Take any three members of family. For example, father, mother, son. Take first pair or second three members. Father is not a sister of mother. Mother not a sister of son. Father is not a sister of son. So can satisfies transitivity condition. So transitivity condition: A comma B, B comma C belongs to R, which implies A comma C belongs to R. It is transitivity condition. Take any three members of family. So father, consider as father not a sister of mother. Mother, not a sister of son. So son, father is not a sister of son. Satisfied. Take this three pair of family members. Son is not a sister of mother. Mother is not a sister of daughter. But son is not a sister of daughter. So second pair of family. Third pair of family, we get the relation. Relation is daughter is related to mother. Daughter related to mother, comma, mother related to son, and daughter related to son. See this pair. This pair not satisfies transitivity condition. This pair not satisfies transitivity condition because the condition is, first condition is daughter is not a sister of mother. Daughter is not a sister of mother. So satisfied. Daughter is not sister of M. Second condition is mother is not sister of son. M is not sister of S. M is not sister of S. But third condition is daughter is a sister. Sister of son. Third condition. First condition satisfied, second satisfied, third one is not satisfied. Daughter is sister of son. So it is not transitivity. Only for this pair not satisfies transitivity condition. So hence it is not transitivity. It is not transitivity. Third problem is completed. Question number 5. On the set of natural numbers, the relation R defined by x related to y, if x plus 2y equal to 1. If x plus 2y is 1. This one is relation, this one is condition. So we see the solution. So what is given? The given data is on the set of natural number. Set is all set of all natural number. So natural number set is natural number n. N equal to what with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. infinity. This one is the given set of all natural number. So we have to state n equal to 1, 2, 3. Relation. What is relation? Relation x related to y. It is meaning that take any two number in relation to related. Partition product R. Condition is x plus 2y equal to 1. This one is condition, this one is relation. So we check. First one is, it is a reflexive relation, symmetric relation, or transitive relation. First one is check it, reflexive. It is reflexive or not. So basic definition for reflexive, take any two number, any one number, x comma x belongs to R, x comma x belongs to R, for all x belongs to n, for all x belongs to n. So the all natural number. So reflexive relation is x related to y. It's a given condition. Relation is x related to x. Condition, what is condition? X plus 2x equal to 1. Replace x, y by x plus 2x equal to 1. 3x equal to 1, which implies x equal to 1 by 3. Does not belongs to n. x equal to 1 by 3 does not belongs to n. It is meaning that the set of all natural numbers start with 1, 2, 3, not a fractional number. So my set is the relation R. My relation R is an empty set. My relation R is an empty set. Therefore, R equal to empty set. It is clear that relation R is empty set. Why it is empty set? Because 1 by 3 not a natural number. So natural numbers start with from 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. It is not a fractional. So our relation is empty relation. We see the result, one of the result. Not every empty set. Every empty set is symmetry and transitivity. Symmetry and transitivity. It is result for illustration. We see the textbook page number 15, illustration 1.4, 7 subdivisions. Here is empty. Every empty relation is symmetric and transitivity. So the relation x related to y, it is result R is empty set. It is symmetry and transitivity. It is R is empty set, symmetry and transitivity. It is a result for page number. We see the textbook page number 15. It is clear that set of all natural number, consider this relation and satisfies, we check if it satisfies this condition or not. So replace reflex relation. Reflex x belongs to 1 by 3, does not belongs to n. n is not n, 1 by 3 not a natural number. So R is the given relation is empty relation. It is empty relation. So the result every empty set or empty relation. Every empty relation satisfies symmetry and transitivity. Hence, you see the problem. Subdivision 4 is assignment problem or 1 point. Exercise 1.2, subdivision 1, fourth subdivision assignment. Complete the problem.